Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to save an absolute ton of cash when you want to buy your Windows license, your Windows Office software, or maybe even just some Steam games. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so in today's video we're going to go into something which really annoys me. Now, if you've built a PC in the last God knows how many years, you'll be used to purchasing a Windows license for your computer. Whether it's for Home, Pro, whether it's for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 11, and possibly those in the future. Buying a license is never a cheap thing to do, or at least it isn't always. Now, a lot of people will just head off to their local PC World or whatever store it is, and they'll just buy a retail license, which is possibly the worst thing you can do, especially these days when money is tight. So today I'm going to show you a great way of saving money. Now this, I should say, in full disclosure, I am an affiliate of this particular site, although with the amount of money that these licenses cost, I'm not going to get rich anytime soon. But hopefully you'll be saving an absolute ton of money, which you can then put into other things like some extra RAM, maybe an additional SSD, or possibly even the next graphics card up the chain, which is obviously going to be beneficial to both of us. So what you want to do is to head over to premiumcdkeys.com/Mike's Unboxing. The Mike's Unboxing bit on the end is basically how I generate affiliate revenue from it. Like I said, it isn't a great deal. I do get a very small commission on it. But if you do use our affiliate link, then you can actually get up to 7.5% off your purchase price. Now, don't get me wrong, they're very cheap anyway, and you should be able to pick up your Windows license key for less than £5 here in the UK, and obviously for euros, dollars, etc., possibly even less. So you can potentially save a ton of money, and it's much better than spending, what, 40, 50, or even £100 on a license. And the same goes for Office. If you want to use Office 2019, Office 21, whatever the latest version is, which will be available from their site, you can save an absolute ton there as well. Now, some of you may be considering getting a Windows 365 subscription, which you pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee, which in some cases may work out better depending on how many people are using it. The Office licenses are for one PC only, so if you're just using it on a single PC, this is by far the best way of doing it, and you can pick up a Office license for somewhere in the region of about £10 here in the UK. Again, potentially less if you're using the discount code. So you can save an absolute ton of money. Obviously, if you've got more than one PC that you use regularly, buying additional licenses for each PC, which you would need to do, could bulk up the cost significantly, but again, it's going to be much cheaper than it would be if you just bought it from a traditional online store or retail store. Now, part of the reason that I'm actually doing this video is not purely just to promote the site and also to hopefully save you some money, but it's also because there are an awful lot of other YouTubers and other outlets, eBay, etc., which all try to sell you a license key. Now, some of them will be considerably cheaper, and where they get their keys from is debatable, and we can argue that until we're blue in the face. But for me personally, I've been using Premium CD Keys for now, it must be the best part of 5 years, and pretty much most of our Discord users and regulars to the channel will have used Premium CD Keys sometime or other. And we've had very few instances of any problems. I know of only 2 that I can recall, and they were fixed pretty much immediately. Premium CD Keys online support is 24/7, so if you do get a key which you type in and for some reason it doesn't activate, they will sort it out for you very quickly, and in most cases they'll just issue you a new key, which is absolutely fantastic. Again, you can spend more if you want to on those kind of retail golden licenses, which you can transfer, etc. Quite often with a lot of the licenses from Premium CD Keys, if you're looking at Windows or Office, potentially if you do deactivate the activation code when you're transferring to a new computer, there's a very strong chance that it will reactivate. But because of the nature of these types of keys, generally they are for one use only, so do bear that in mind. Anyway, I've rather this on way too long. Obviously, if you want to pick up a key for Windows or for Office, or maybe even Steam games, there are a selection there. You're probably seeing that from some B-roll I filmed a little bit earlier, and they do update this on a relatively regular basis. But when it comes to Windows license keys and Office keys, I genuinely don't think you can do much better than Premium CD Keys. But have a look for yourself. Links will be in the video description. Feel free to check it out. If you've got any comments or questions, please do let us know in the comment section below. If you're going to go down into the comment section and start going on about the morals of buying these kind of somewhat grey keys, then obviously feel free to do so. Essentially, all I'll say to you is you can potentially save yourself a lot of money. They activate, they work, and if you go to Microsoft after with any problems and you tell them your key, they will tell you, yes, it is a genuine activation key and it works. And like I said, we've had very, very few problems, and me personally, I've had these, I've reinstalled them on other computers as well, which technically you shouldn't do because they are a one-time deal, and they've worked pretty well. So yeah, you can potentially save yourself a lot of money, a lot of hassle, and definitely there are other brands on the market, especially for those of you that watch YouTube, you'll probably been bombarded by these. Generally, they're all going to be somewhere between 20, 40 pounds, etc. Although a lot of people will offer you these incredible deals where if you enter their product code or enter their discount code, then you'll get an amazing 20 or 40% off the price. The reason is because they're overpriced to begin with. So save yourself some money, save yourself some hassle, premiumcdkeys.com/Mike's Unboxing. Anyway, that's going to wrap this one up. Feel free to sign off in the comments section below. I'm sure you will do. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you over at premiumcdkeys.com. Thanks for watching.